Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E14 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in the settings we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using automatic options. So first of all, before we'll start, just tap on all of those switchers and turn them off completely. Right now we can freely tap on date and other options and choose it manually. So let me choose the date from this calendar, confirm it with OK. And the same situation with the time, so just choose it from this clock, tap on OK, it will be applied. The time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've got the list of all available ones, so find yours and tap on it. For example, this one. Here we've got also the time format, so currently we are using 12-hour format. We can use 24-hour one just by tapping on the switcher and it will be applied. So this is basically the whole manual customization of date and time, and of course we can go back to all previous settings just by using those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.